前回 Google の Gemini AI を活用してスピーキング力を爆上げる方法を紹介しました。今日は Microsoft の Copilot を活用して同じ効果を得られるかどうかを検証してみようと思いますが、早速ですが、これから、Copilot を呼びますので、Hello, Copilot. Nice to see you again.
Hello again. It's always great to chat with you. Let's dive right in.
Before our conversation, I want to introduce yourself to my audience briefly, okay?
Absolutely. Hi, everyone. I'm Copilot. I'm here to help out, chat about ideas, and keep things interesting. It's a pleasure to meet you all.
Okay. Today we are not going to talking about how to learn a foreign language. I just want to brainstorm an idea whether people should learn a new AI tool to improve your life. Some people they against it, AI will take away their job, like they maybe depress their work, they feel like hopeless, they feel if they cannot keep up with the new technology, they will fall behind, they create like a anxiety in their mind. I have no idea why they think so. So could you give me your perspective?
Of course. Let's talk about that. I think it's natural for people to feel a bit anxious when new technology rolls in, especially if it might change the workplace. But realistically, AI is often a tool that can help people do their jobs better, rather than outright replacing them. It can take over repetitive tasks, letting people focus on more creative or complex work. And a lot of times it actually opens up new kinds of jobs. So, in the end, it's more about learning how to use these tools and feeling empowered rather than left behind.
Yeah, as you said, it make our work more simple, more easier, and we can focus on doing more complicated or creative works. Only people can do. It's only a tool we can use, and actually, all those AI tools are created by people, so it works for people, not against our people.
Yeah, absolutely. And